Dear followers, I have a very important information for you. If you want to still be up to date with all my YouTube content, please subscribe to my new channel, Tahira Belly Dance Diary, because I won't post any more on this channel. So if you want to follow my dance content, my shows, new episodes of Tahira Belly Dance Diary, and new tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my new channel. You will find the link to this channel below this video in the description box. So be sure to click the link, hit the subscribe button at my new channel, and follow my artistic work. I hope to see you all at my new Tahira Belly Dance Diary YouTube channel.